Hello and welcome to our video about weight loss. In this video, we will be discussing effective strategies to help you lose weight and achieve your fitness goals. Why weight loss is important. Before we get started, let's first talk about why weight loss is important. Maintaining a healthy weight not only improves our physical appearance but also reduces the risk of several health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Losing weight can also boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and enhance our overall quality of life. Tip 1. Create a caloric deficit. The first strategy to achieve weight loss is to create a caloric deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than you burn throughout the day. The easiest way to do this is by reducing your food intake and increasing physical activity. A moderate caloric deficit of 500 to 750 calories per day can result in a weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Tip 2. Focus on whole foods. The second strategy is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. These foods are not only lower in calories but also provide the essential nutrients needed for optimal health. Examples of whole foods include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Tip 3. Incorporate strength training. The third strategy is to incorporate strength training into your exercise routine. Strength training not only burns calories but also helps to build muscle mass. This can increase your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight in the long run. Tip 4. Practice mindful eating. The fourth strategy is to practice mindful eating. This means paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and eating only when you are hungry. Additionally, try to avoid distractions such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone while eating, as this can lead to overeating. Tip 5. Get adequate sleep. The fifth and final strategy is to get adequate sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating our metabolism and hormone levels. Lack of sleep can lead to increased appetite, cravings, and weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss goals. Conclusion. In summary, weight loss is important for overall health and well-being. To achieve weight loss, create a caloric deficit, focus on whole foods, incorporate strength training, practice mindful eating, and get adequate sleep. By implementing these strategies, you can successfully lose weight and improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.